Hi guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to another FabFitFun box review. As per usual, I am required to tell you that I'm a FabFitFun partner, which means they give me the box for free so that I can review what I chose for all the choices for you and tell you what I think about them. Not that I've been sponsored. In case for some reason you don't know what FabFitFun is, it's a seasonal box that you get full-size health, beauty, skincare, lifestyle products in. And I really have found that most of the time, one of the items that you get in the box, two at the most, will pay for the entire box. The cost of the box is $54.99 per season or $199 annually. You might want to think about annual if you really like this box, because I have found that you're going to get in there faster to make your choices. The things that you want, you probably have a better chance of getting. There's just a lot of perks that come with an annual membership that if you really like the FabFitFun box, I would encourage you to go ahead and sign up for annual. I have a code for you that saves you $10 if this is your first box. So here it is, code Glitzy. Really hard to remember, right? Don't forget that your membership also entitles you into flash sales where you can save up to 70% on items that you want to get, but maybe ordinarily couldn't afford. I want to make sure I point out to you guys too, because I've acutely become aware of this myself, that the customization choices change rapidly. Some things go away, then they come back. So when I tell you things that I saw as choices or that I know about, keep in mind that depending on how fast you get there, those items may go away. This fall box, depending on your choices, okay, is over $300. And now I'm going to show you all of the choices that I know of, right, for each category, tell you the retail value, show you a picture of the product, and I'm going to tell you about the one that I chose. And then at the end of this video, I will rework that total and tell you if I had paid retail in a store, what would I give you for that item? So in Customization 1, all members get to choose from all these items, and there are a lot of them. And you can get additional items for $15. First, we have the Summer Fridays Overtime Mask, retail value $46. The Mally and Lily Weekender Bag, retail value $128. And it comes in either leopard print or black abstract. It's a canvas on-the-go bag. The Trophy Skin Brighten MD for $99. The Food 52 Bamboo Colander and Bowl Set, $49. Those are BPA, PVC, and phthalates free. The Gentle Fawn Hermosa Kimono that retails for $78. That is reversible and comes in the sizes extra small / small, medium / large, and plus sizes. The VO Air Purifier with HEPA filter retails $99. I guess the dimensions on this are 4.78 by 4.78 by 7.25. Then we have a choice of 3 NARS blushes. And when I say that, I mean you choose one of these 3, whichever one you think is going to work best for you. It retails for $32 and it comes in Taj Mahal, Deep Throat, and Orgasm X. Then we have a returning item. It is the Phantom Chef 8-inch fry pan with a retail value of $40. And then we have what I chose, which was the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner retailing at $60. All these luxury shampoos and conditioners get me with the smell. I swear they do. You guys know I like hair biology, and I also like Better Not Younger, Caviar line. But all of those, you know, they do a really nice job on my hair, but I was not prepared for the fullness of this shampoo. I'm not really sure why that word full is in white so that it practically blends into the gray. Hello? I mean, I blow dried my hair like regular and it was like poof, sticking up, and I'm like, I really need a haircut. I look like a poof ball. My hair was so big. Maybe you need long hair if you don't want that really big hair. You might have noticed that lately I've been combing it down more. It's just easier. I have enjoyed using these and I'm not sorry for the choice that I made. In choice 2, all members will have the option to choose one of the following customizations, and you'll also be able to have additional items for $12. We have the Glossier Future Dew. It retails for $26. Then we have the Babe Original Essential Eyelash Serum. and that retails for $49. We have the Food 52 bamboo measuring spoons and cups, retail value $28. Then we have the Gentle Fawn Huntington scarf retailing at $40. It's pretty, right? I like that. Chick and Tonic 3-piece baking set, retail value $40. The Fit Plan 3-in-1 resistance band kit with 3-month app subscription, retail value on that is $67.97. This was my choice, Glow Recipe. I love Glow Recipe. Look how much I've used of it already. But you know what, this is really good mixed in with your foundation too. So this is a really hydrating moisturizer. I ran it through the ingredient checker and it didn't come up with anything bad except for at the very end there was fragrance. I don't mind if it's at the very end and not overpowering. And I wrote down that this has hyaluronic acid to plump, peony and jasmine to soothe, oil-free, and smells like watermelon. Yes, it do. It's wonderful, beautiful. I love this. Not sorry with this choice either. Going into choice 3, everybody gets to choose again, and additional items can be purchased for $12. And the first item is the Necessary, the body wash in eucalyptus. You get 8.4 ounces and it retails for $25. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, Stunna Lip Paint Long Wear Fluid Lip Color in Unbutton, and that retails for $26. The Lily Sendoy Brooklyn sunglasses that retail for $80. I dang near got those. LUV AJ Carmella hoop earrings that retail for $65. Sugar Bear Sleep Deep 5-HTP vitamin gummies that retail for $68. I guess that's melatonin and some proprietary blend that makes you feel sleepy. The Living Proof Frizz Vanish Oil, that's $30. The Living Proof Restore Repair Mask, that retails for $38. And the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, that retails for $29. And then we have a returning item, the Michael Kors Beanie with a Palm, and that retails for $48. I accidentally forgot this one. This is the Harper hat from ASN Hats, and it retails for $29. And then we have the last choice was the one I made, which is the Understated Leather and Free People carry-on packing cubes. You get 2 and they retail for $40. So we got 2 different sizes, as you can see. This one is actually big enough to put a laptop in, and there is a little handle here that you can carry. And when we got back from our vacation, I just thought it would have been nice to be able to put my panties, my bras, my socks, my stuff, you know, in cuter things. I just like to pack my stuff a little different, you know. I don't want to throw my stuff in the suitcase like some people we won't mention. But anyway, so I got these. Customization 4 is where quarterly people get to still choose something, but it stops here. So for 5 and 6, it's only for annual members. And you can also add things to your cart additionally for $8. In this choice, we have the Apare Mini Vegetable Chopper. It's stainless steel and it has a pull string for the blade. It's $19.95. The Unite 7 Seconds Detangler, and that is $29.50 for 8 ounces. The Lifestyle Co. Natural Green Tea and Aloe Body Polish. Whew, that was a mouthful. For $45. The Luxie Enchanted Eye Set for $64. And we have a returning item is the Fry Bamboo Boot Sock 2-pack that fits sizes 5 to 10 for $24. And then you have the choice that I made, which was this right here, Wish Mineral Milk Bath. This has rose hip and lotus. It retails for $38. I took a bath in it and my skin did feel silky and smooth, so I was happy with that. I do tend to prefer, you know, foaming baths more than just a milk bath, but it was a nice soak and I thought it smells delightful. Not gonna lie though, I wish I'd kind of chose the brush set from Luxie because I've never tried Luxie brushes and I am a brushaholic. But you know, Whatever. At the time I was like, do you really need more brushes? No. So in choice number 5, as I told you, only the annual members get to choose what they want. The quarterly people will have something, it'll be a surprise. They'll pick something for you, and you can again get additional selections for $8. And we kick that off with the Skin Chemist London Pure Collagen Biphase Serum, 1 ounce for $39.90. To the Market Wool Dryer Balls, you get 3 in the pack, and that retails for $20. You guys know that I didn't choose that, right? Because you know I have all kinds of dryer balls here. They work fabulously. If you want to know, I do not have this brand, but I can tell you that they work very well for plumping up your towels and stuff. You don't need a fabric softener. I've not had any problems with static. Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap in Teal for $18. It looks to me like we have 2 returning items, but don't hold me to that. I might be wrong. I think that Apari Milk Frother for $24.95 is returning, and the Hocus Pocus Buffalo Check Cap, which I really, really want. I don't think I can carry it. Maybe I can, but I'm not not feeling me in hats these days. So yeah, but that retails for $38. And then you have what I chose, which was the Black Pumpkin Fresh Peepers for $29. You get 5 of these. They come in here. I've used 2 already. I mean, I blow through these like nothing. Okay, so these have pumpkin in them. What it says on the back of the box is, see life through a fresh pair of eyes with these hydrogel patches. Enriched with pumpkin extract, fruit enzymes, red algae, and cognac. It's like a nourishing salad for your peepers. Store in a cool place, So you know how this works, you know? You get up, you look in the mirror, you go, oh, my eyes are so dry and puffy. And then you get your eye masks and you put them on. And I really like the brand Black, so that's what I chose. In Customization 6, this is where people sometimes get a little confused. So annual members get to choose. It's going to be a surprise for those of you who are quarterly subscribers. And you can choose additional things for $10, which if you think about that, that's a heck of a deal on any of these things. Like $10 for any of these things that I'm going to tell you about. I think that's a heck of a deal, really. So, I mean, especially the thing I chose. But anyway, let's get to it. What we have first are individual things. So if you choose one of these individual things, then you're done. Okay, but if you don't like any of those, we got 2 bundles that you could choose one or the other of. And let me tell you what they are. First, we have the Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydrating Essence, 3.4 ounces at $35. The Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, 0.51 ounces, $30. Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay Mask, 2 ounces, $59. Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask, 2 ounces, $59. The returning item is the Stojo Collapsible Cup with 4 reusable straws at $32. Before we move on to the thing I chose, which you probably guessed was a singular item, I want to tell you about the 2 bundles. So the first bundle is the Daily Concepts Body Mitt and Grooming Mitt bundle that includes the Spongella Body Buffer, and this retails for $44. And the second bundle is the Craft Crush Embroidery Kit plus a Cloudnola Block Clock, and this bundle retails for $65. And then we have the choice that I made, which I'm pretty sure you probably know if you've seen these choices anywhere, is the Kate Somerville. It's the Active B3 plus C serum, and it retails for $98. Well, let me just show you. I'm totally using a different vitamin C right now, so I'm like, I don't want to open it, but I owe it to you. I owe it to you to open it and use it for a few days and make sure it's not going to break me out or something, right? Yeah, I do. So now I have 2 really expensive vitamin C's open, but you're worth it. I love you, okay? So yeah, I'm very happy with this choice. Now we start the part where I tell you, if I walked in a store and I was going to purchase the items that I chose, what I would part with of my own cash. So what would I give you for this in a store? I'd wait for a sale. That's what I'd do, because I don't pay $98 for vitamin C serum. Now, I do know this isn't just vitamin C, but You know, so for me, I give you a little more than what I give you for my regular vitamin C, which is like $32. So I would go up maybe as high as $40 for this. The black pumpkin peepers, I love them. But for me, the price is kind of high. Now you might say, well, the patches I love so much, the Derma E ones, those aren't exactly cheap, but there's 60 in there. There's only 5 times you can do this. I would give you $18 for these. And as we say that, that brings our total so far to $58, which means, you know what? I paid for my box already. The mineral milk bath, I think I'd be willing to pay $18 for this. I think these would be really nice if you did travel a lot, but there's no guarantee that I'm ever going to get to go on another trip. So, you know, I don't know. I just kind of wish I'd have chose the sunglasses, but, you know, they're nice, but they're not $40 nice to me. I'd give you 20. This feels wonderful. I think it's beautiful. It retails for $39, and I really love it. But I wouldn't give you $40. I mean, $39, you might as well say it's 40 bucks. I wouldn't give you $40 for this because I'm plowing through it way too fast. You don't have to get a full pump out of it, you know. I mean, you could probably do that much, and it does cover a pretty good amount. I love it. But I have some other moisturizers that I like better that don't cost this much. But if I could get this, like in a sale or something, I'd absolutely part $25 for this. And girlfriends, that brings us back to where we started at the Living Proof Full shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely do pay what these cost. I do pay a lot of money for shampoos, conditioners, mousses, stuff like that. Do I think these are worth their money? If you like luxury shampoos and conditioners, yes, I do. If you need fullness added to your hair, I think it does that. So, yeah, I would give you full price for these. So at the adjusted total, is the box still worth it? You bet it is. Okay, so like I said, I have a code for you. Please use it. You will save $10 off your first box. I want to let you guys know I've enjoyed your company yet again for another FabFitFun box. Tell me below as usual, what are you going to get? Did you like this box? Are you happy with the choices? Let me know. I really want to know. Also, I want to let you know that you're the best part of the Fritzy family, and that if you're not having a blessed day, all you got to do to get one is go be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya, bye, and I'm out.
First we have the Summers Friday Overtime Flask. It's a flask. Overtime flask. Man, that shift was hard. I need some overtime flask. The VO Air Purfer. And that is like future dew. Like wet stuff, not like dew. Like it's not gonna really do anything for you. I bet you already knew that, right? Future, first hey, PETA, look over here, okay? Yeah, please, I got a little time, all right? Work with me. And the first item is, that sounds like I need to be on The Price is Right or something. Bob Barker. The Living Proof Restore, Repair, the Living Proof Restore. I've got all kinds of dry balls here, and mine, I showed you, remember? The Stojo Collapsicle. Is that like a popsicle? Collapsicle? The returning item is the Stojo Collapsicle. I did it again! It's not collapsicle, Mary. Collapsible. The black pumpkin, Jack Sprat could eat no fat, his wife could eat no lean. You know? That's kind of like us in this house.